Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, February 20th, 2021. It is 5:12 and 35 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, spin Hall effect. So let's hop to it here. Spin Hall effect of light with near 100% efficiency. Date February 19, 2021. Source, Pohang University of Science and Technology. Summary. A research team has successfully developed a technique to reach near-unity efficiency of shell by using an artificially designed metasurface. The researchers have together proposed a technique to enhance the shell with near 100% efficiency using an isotropic metasurface. For this, the joint research team designed a metasurface that transmits most light of one polarization and reflects the light from the other, verifying the shell occurs in high-frequency region. These research findings were recently published in the February issue of Laser and Photonic Reviews, an authoritative journal in optics. The spin Hall effect of light. Shell refers to a transverse and spin-dependent shift of light to the plane of incidence when it is reflected or refracted at an optical interface. When amplified, it can shift light that is several times or tens of times greater than its wavelength. Previous studies of enhancing the shell have evolved greater light movement with little consideration for efficiency. Since enhancing the shell produces extremely low efficiency, studies on achieving a large shell and high efficiency simultaneously have never been reported. To this, the joint research team used an isotropic metasurface to enhance the shell. It was designed to enable high shell by transmitting most of the light from one polarization while reflecting the light from the other. By measuring the transmission of metasurface in the high-frequency region, such as microwaves, and verifying the polarization state of the transmitted light, the researchers verified the occurrence of shell reaching 100% efficiency. The very mechanisms that enhance the shell in most previous studies, in fact, lowered its efficiency. This research is significant in that it is the first study to propose a method to calculate the efficiency of the shell, and to increase its efficiency and enhance the shell simultaneously. The shell is applicable in microscopic optical devices, such as beam splitters, filters, and switches. And this study will improve their effectiveness. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on space technology, computer science, and astrophysics. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.